Okay. Could you feed the bird? Could you give the bird a piece of food? Yeah. Yeah. Hold it. Whole piece like this. You see? He's hungry. Yeah. Yeah. Good job, Nathan. Good job feeding the bird. The bird name is Riley. Can you say Riley? Riley. Cute little bird.